Teka lang. Hindi pa okay.
Ito nga, video yan. Video yan,
Ay,
masaya.
medyo to. Ay, wait.
Para kang pokpok.
Tol, para sa'yo daw to, tol. Libangan mo, tol.
Okay. Are you okay?
Kadiri ka nga.
Are you okay? Okay. Say mo.
Ano masasabi mo kay Papa J?
I love you, Jay. I love you, Daddy.
Really, i-vote mo, tas pasa mo na.
Ayun lang, hindi mo siya tapos eh.
Tingnan mo.
Miss Petro.
Miss Petrum.
Ay, ba't ginamok mo lang sa gilid na?
Ayaw nga.
Ano sasabi?
I'm Isolber San Antonio, Miss Petrum of National City.
Ano moto mo?
Wala akong moto. Times Square.
Times Square.
The beautiful, lovely. Your question is,
Sino mo? Nag-shit.
what is your talent?
Paling ko yan.
Yan lang yung talent niya.
Talent. She said she's gonna sayaw. And sing at the time. Sing.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. Woo!
Dili.
Woo!
Ito.
Oh, tama na, 2 minutes na. Okay. Any words of wisdom, Mrs. Isol Barcena Antonio?
Nothing to say.
Oh,
Nothing to say.
magpaalam ka na.
Bye. Love you, Daddy. Bye.